Alright, example 5 deals with a laminar, exactly the same thing, even though it's a laminar, same ideas. It's not going to have any difference. It shows you it's drawn a line from P to where the forces begin. So actually what we can do there is we can firstly imagine which way it's going to turn it. So if the pivot point's here and we've got a force acting up, that's going to turn it, if you imagine it's going to go round here like this, isn't it? You can see it's going clockwise around the pivot, right? So that is generally our blue force, isn't it? So I'll use that as blue. And obviously the other one's going the other way, which is anti-clockwise. Now you'll notice they're both at an angle, so both of them will need to be resolved to the perpendicular, right? Which will be here for this one and here for the pink one. So all we're going to do is take them one at a time. I'll do the blue one first. The blue one is a distance of 8 meters, and then the force is 7. And we've gone away from the 25, so 7 sine 25, which is 23.7 Newton meters. Then, to do the pink one, right, we're going to do the distance again is 8, so it's 8 times, and then 4 is the force, but we've gone away from the 35 to get to the perpendicular. It's always got to be perpendicular with moments. So we pop that in and we get 18.4 Newton meters. Now you can see, tug of war between two. The blue force has 1. We said the blue force was clockwise and the pink force was anti-clockwise. So we can see that the overall resultant force is going to be 23.7 minus 18.4, which gives us 5.3 Newton meters, and crucially that is in the clockwise direction. So our laminar is going to spin with a force of 5.3 Newton meters clockwise. And that's it for lesson 2. So same as lesson 1, do each of them individually and then just put it together at the end and see what the resultant is by taking away one, the stronger one, from the weaker one. What we need to do is exercise 4b. Question 1 and 2, just do the odd letters. There's quite a lot. They're the basic examples. And then question 3 and 4 is a little bit more challenging. And if you really want to test yourself, do question 5 and 6. They're very tricky, those two final questions at the end of the exercise.